Hello friends.
Hello friends, how are you?
Today we are in second day of last semester and our friend Madhusudan getting marksick. We don't know. Please Madhusudan, tell us what you are thinking.
What's the reason here?
It's behind the thought process. You can't understand this. That's why you keep quiet and shut up this video. Shut down this video.
I don't know who did this, but he is fully
ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಇದೆ.
marksick.
Mansic.
ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ. And the singers are, first one is Madhusudan, the great singer of our class, and the second one is Lahari from Raichur. I am the host of
From
this singer
Mandya, Ganesh Mandya Farmer. Iconic.
and we will start now.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Think about you. Late night in the middle of June. Big days make many hours. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes I think about you. Late night in the middle of June.
ఎందుకు నీకు వేస్ట్ బతుకు మీరేనా బతుకుతావు.
She's saying something that she won't forget. Having no regrets is all that she really wants. We're only getting older, baby, and I've been thinking about it lately. Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how
ఈ
fast
చిరునవ్వు మీ నడక వావ్ నైస్.
ever dreamed of disappearing when you wake up. But there's nothing to be afraid of. Even when the night changes, you will never. You know this is serious, we're getting closer and this isn't over. You know it's serious, this isn't over. Oh my god,
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಇವರಿನ್ನೂ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗತ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಷ್ಟರೊಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್
ಮಧುಸೂದನ್
You know?
ಅವ್ರು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ ಅವರು. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಹೇಳೋಣ ಈಗ.
ಎಸ್
ನಾವು ಬರೋರ್ಗು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇರೆಯವರಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ
Wow, 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 wow.
You're a good soldier, choosing your patterns. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off, get back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all. Believe it, can you forget about, forget about it. Samina, Sankariba, 'cause this is Africa. Samina, waka waka, Samina, Sankariba, this is for Africa.
ನನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ?
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಾನು ಸತ್ತೋಯ್ತೀನಿ ಕಣಣ್ಣ. ಅಣ್ಣ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಾಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಣ್ಣ.